Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, finishing up a beautiful autumn day, blue skies, very dry air, and temperatures topping out in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, of course not showing anything but the dry air and the blue skies. However, different story come tomorrow evening and especially tomorrow night with a round of some heavy rain, some thunder, and some high winds. We'll get to that in just a second. A chilly night ahead. I do expect temperatures to be dropping into the 40s just before sunrise, a real fallish feel, and really a wide variety of weather on Thursday. It includes sunshine, but also rain, wind, and thunder. So we'll get to that in just a second. 2 hurricanes in the Atlantic, and one will kick up the surf at area beaches by the latter half of the weekend. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. Downtown Providence, sunny skies, temperature at 70 with an extremely low dew point. And again, rule of thumb, dry air at night cools off very rapidly. So once the sun sets, and of course the nights now are getting longer, temperatures will fall off quite a bit, especially after midnight. By 11 o'clock, we'll be clear in the temperature now at 56 degrees, and then overnight dropping down to the low and even middle 40s. So a cool start tomorrow morning with some sunshine, 53 early on, 67 by later in the morning. The trend will be for clouds to be on the increase, so some early afternoon sun will give way to mostly cloudy skies by later in the day. Temperatures topping out at around 72. Here it is in more detail. Along the South Shore, looking at upper 60s to lower 70s on a south breeze that'll pick up late in the afternoon. Inland areas away from the ocean at around 71, 72 degrees. And again, the wind out of the south, it'll really start to pick up late afternoon and early evening, with the strongest winds being reserved till tomorrow night. Taunton 73, Westport 69, a Little Compton at 70. Sunshine till about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, though it'll be fading sun, and then showers arriving, I'm thinking very late in the day, sometime after, say, 5 or 6 o'clock, but a much better chance come tomorrow night. Hurricane Igor, still a powerful storm. Here's a three-dimensional satellite loop. The eye not quite as well defined. Here's the wider view and give you some perspective as far as the East Coast. Top winds now still well over 100 miles per hour, 135, but the good news remains that the storm will eventually bend back out to sea in the North Atlantic, but we think come close enough to start kicking up the surf at area beaches either Saturday or especially come Sunday and Monday. Another hurricane behind that is Julia, top winds of 125, and the good news here, that one anticipated to curl back out to sea as well. So 2 big storms, but at this point, no threat to the U.S. mainland other than heavy surf and some rip currents. All right, 7-day futurecast. A lot of rain, thunder, and wind coming up on Thursday night. We may see winds gusting to 40 miles per hour tomorrow night, especially late at night. Some thunder as well. It'll clear out by Friday afternoon in the upper 70s, so a breezy and mild day. Weekend still looks good. A little cooler on Saturday, warmer on Sunday, partly sunny, and a temperature at 76. So good news with these hurricanes, but the surf and the waves will be picking up at the beaches. WPRI.com to track both storms and to get your 7-day futurecast. Tomorrow morning, you step outside, it's that kind of see your breath weather, temps in the 40s.
Really?
So pretty cool.
Okay.